that one of the most important reasons why people get irritated, frustrated, annoyed is because of a lack of social graces and inappropriate social behavior. Today, I would like to share with you one very important social pet peeve, which is making other people wait. I am on a mission to groom India, and therefore I would like to share with you the 5 situations where this is often observed. This is Rashida Kapadia, your image consultant, etiquette coach, corporate trainer, life and style guru. Situation number 1, at meetings. When you are called for a meeting, you reach there 5 minutes earlier, you're made to wait for 10 minutes, after which you're given a cup of coffee, you're told to wait for another 10 minutes since the concerned person is busy in another meeting. Again, after 10 minutes, you're told that the meeting is not yet over or he's been held up somewhere, by which it's the end of 30 minutes and your level of tolerance is ready to burst. Second situation is when people tell you to hold for 2 seconds, 2 minutes on the telephone, and you wait for 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and the person has not yet reverted back to you. At the end of it, you bang down the phone. The third situation is when you are waiting in a queue and the person ahead of you is juggling to find change or is looking for his wallet or whatever. Or at the supermarket, when somebody in front of you suddenly realizes that they have forgotten to purchase some items which they need to go and get from one of the aisles, or they realize that they have got too many things and they want to discard some items, or they're searching for their credit card or the membership card and whatnot. The fourth situation is when you are invited for lunch or for dinner. So it can be a lunch meeting, it can be a dinner date, and you're waiting for the guest or for your host to arrive. Imagine once they arrive, because you have not eaten anything and you're still hungry, it's bad manners to eat anything before the other person arrives. So you're sitting there hungry, and finally when the other person does arrive, you're in no mood for conversation, right? The fifth situation is when you are invited to somebody's home for a party. And here I would like to share my own personal experience where I had invited a few guests over. 4 of them were foreigners. So 2 were French nationals, they were a couple. There was one lady from England and there was another lady from Germany. 8:30 was the time, and exactly at 8:30 the French couple arrives to my home. At 8:32 the German arrives, and at 8:33 the English lady arrives. We start serving them some starters and drinks, and we're waiting for the other guests to arrive, who all are from Mumbai. And according to Indian Standard Time, they arrive at 9:45, about 1 hour 15 minutes later. By which these foreign guests of mine are ready to leave. Now these are situations which can be easily avoided. Maybe some of you have been victims of such situations, or maybe some of you are guilty of causing such situations. Either ways, the best thing we can do is to make an effort to avoid such situations and create a social awareness. Be there on time and stop wasting other people's time, because time is money and time lost is time which is never got back. Thank you so much for listening to me today. Please do share your comments, because I'm sure you all have been through such experiences as well. Do share your comments below, and if you liked my video, do share it, and please do subscribe to my channel as well.